Hello everyone, I'm Yixuan. I'm in Kaohsiung now. Today I will merely take the MRT to some tourist attraction and record the day's vlog. Now I'm ready to go. The first attraction I come to now is Chao Sugar Factory, which is the first modern mechanical sugar factory in Taiwan. In addition to some old sugar machinery, there is also have some sugar locomotive for everyone to watch. Now let's watch these scenes together.
In addition to the old railway and the sugar factory, there is also have an ice store and some installation art for people to take pictures. The place is not only no admission fee, but also the food in the park is not expensive. I think it makes me feel comfortable and relaxed.
Now I'm going to a second attraction and have lunch.
The second place I come to is IKEA. I have visited IKEA in Taichung before, but not in Kaohsiung. This time I want to see if their restaurant has any new daily necessities. This time I ordered the new children's meal pasta, Swedish meatballs, and fried chicken wings. If you come to eat on a weekday afternoon, there will be a discount for afternoon tea. It only costs $25 NT to have an unlimited drinking. In addition to the furniture showroom, IKEA also has a lot of small daily necessities, and most of the things are very practical. What I like the most is the ice cream on the first floor. It is not only cheap but also delicious. Then I'm going to the last attraction of the day. The last attraction I come to is 站2库, which is located at number 2 pier of Kaohsiung Port. It is very easy to shop here. Even on weekdays, there are a lot of culture and creative products. Finally, you can also take a ferry outside to Qijing. It's really convenient. I hope I can come to Kaohsiung again next time.